Hello, renovators. So, welcome to my episode 1. So for this episode, ang title nito is definition of terms. So, mostly, i-define ko lang is what is renovations and what are the differences between renovations and constructions, and also some terms like proposals or costing, and also uh, para malaman nyo rin kung ano yung mga pagkasabi ng engineers nyo or architect. So, yun. So, let's go! So, ito. So, sabi sa Wikipedia, so, renovation is the process of improving broken, damaged, or outdated structures. Renovations are typically done on either commercial or residential buildings. Additional renovation can refer to making something new or bringing something back to life and can apply in social context. So mostly, ang renovation is improvement. So may existing na tayo na commercial unit or condo unit, then we will improve it and also of course personalize it kung ano yung gusto natin. Kumbaga more on customization siya. So what is the difference between renovations and construction? So sa renovations, meron na siyang structures or unit or building. Kumbaga gawa na pero bare siya. So sa constructions naman, ang mangyayari dito is from ground up. So meaning kumbaga lote pa lang siya or lupa, tatayuan pa yung building or tatayuin pa yung commercial unit. So yun yung pinagkaiba ng pag sinabing constructions sa renovations. So mostly itong page na to is more on dito tayo sa renovations. So more on improvements. Then some of the definition of terms, for example, uh, of course, what contractors like me, so we are the ones who uh, design and build or renovate a commercial unit, and also some of the mga nagre-renovate is the contractors like me are engineers, architect, interior designers, or pag medyo limited lang yung budget or budget friendly, foreman, designs or plans. So, ito yung parang pinaka ano niya, magiging plano na bubuuin. Kumbaga in layman's term, para siyang drawing into reality. So mostly ganun. So mostly ang gumagawa nun is engineers, architect, or interior designers. So kumbaga kung ano yung pinaka preference, kumbaga yung pinaka gustong-gusto ng client na maging realidad sa commercial unit niya, condo unit niya, yun yung plano. Kumbaga naka-drawing siya, AutoCAD, yun ang pag sinabing plano. Ngayon, pag sinabing proposal or costing or quotations, ito naman yung magiging halaga ng para ma-renovate yung isang unit. So, of course, after sa typical setup ng renovations, uh, i-discuss ko na lang later, step by step, kung ano yung mga typical steps for the renovations. So, for now, ito yung mga some of the definition of terms like engineers, architects, or interior designers, or foreman. Ito yung mga contractors na gagawa ng commercial unit nyo or mag-renovate ng condo or commercial unit. Then, yun. So, plano, design, costing, yun nga, ang sinasabi ko, ito yung magiging halaga ng pagpaparenovate sa unit nyo. Okay? So, hopefully, sa mga susunod na episodes, hindi ko na if further elaborate yung mga na-discuss kung some of the definition of terms. Ngayon, kung may questions kayo is feel free to check my page and also comment if you like, and I will try of course to respond immediately. Of course, para makatulong sa inyo mga renovators. Okay? And see you sa next episode, and please check my page for which is in the link below. Okay? Thank you.